How to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. Welcome back! In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're starting a web development project or coding in Python, VS Code makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from code.visualstudio.com. Before we create a project, let's create a new folder for it. You can do this on your desktop or any directory. So just right click and select new folder and then name it according to your project. Now, go back to the Visual Studio Code and click on File in the top menu, then select Open Folder. Navigate to the folder you just created and click Select Folder. This will open your new project workspace. With your folder open, it's time to create your first file. So right-click in the Explorer pane on the left and select New File and name it something like index.html for a web project or main.py for an example Python project. You can now start coding in your new file. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project in Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more coding tips. Happy coding! Good luck. Thanks for watching.